there was a banter between the deputy forest manager and the team, who would not allow them to seize the 25 excavators. So there were other confrontations. The district and division.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Galamsey TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Charlie, confusion galore, and tables, ladders, and chairs. Wow, wrestling match piano matches be what they allow them say they can use hammer, tables, ladders, and chairs. Gidi santo kwani binu. Ebi na esi organize say. Atoka esi no. Enye say armed robbers bi na kwasha amuku there bi. Eye. NDC John Mahama government appointees. John Mahama appointees no. They are fighting among themselves. Now, why are they fighting among themselves? That is where it becomes interesting. Galamsey. Now, already Galamsey nano. John Mahama, His Excellency, promised Ghanaians say he will end Galamsey within 120 days of coming into office. John Mahama kai. Or see, in fact, Okakra say obe banning mining, small scale mining obe banning within 120 days of coming into office. He has not been able to do it. Now, he not been able to do it in Suno. Some people were already in the fight. Our EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, Authority, right? And then Forestry Commission, they were all involved in the fight. Police, military, all those people. In fact, a lot was being done. They even bought shallow water boats for the military to be able to navigate on the water bodies. They also bought a lot of things, drones for surveillance and all. And one journalist, he has been very, very, very vocal. Erastus Asare. Donc, I think he deserves a very, very huge mention. Oya nipa bakwa, oya very, very, very. Since Eban Galamsey is an authority, he is able to tell you, say, they say, no kasanu, uko ha, ubanya ubesha ni say, uko hands ubesha say ni say. Now, Erastus is saying something interesting. What is it? And he said, John Mahama appointees now a Western North Regional Minister. Then the EPA CEO, boss, Forestry Commission, and police, they are clashing. Now, why are they clashing? Assembly say, excavators be, as a 25 excavators have been seized in a forest reserve and Kaiwasa Muyek mining war.
Regional police commanders sent men in there ostensibly to arrest the team because they claim they are not aware of their operation. And it baffles my mind how the police suddenly got interested in illegal miners who are being chased out of the forest, when indeed it was within their jurisdiction to do so, and they have not done so. Subsequently, the Western North Regional Minister drove into the forest himself. He also asking the soldiers to stop tracking the equipment to the nearest assembly because he claims he was not notified. It was after we set in, and yes, the regional minister, Mr. Brentum, went in there and asked them to stop tracking the equipment to the nearest. So I sent him a message. In fact, I called him. He could not pick. I sent him a message asking why he wants them to stop. These are illegal miners. These are nature criminals who have invaded the forest for months.
Well, still on this, the acting chief executive of the Environmental Protection Authority has condemned the actions of the Western North Regional Minister who ordered a halt to removing seized equipment.
It's pathetic to hear stories like this, especially now, after we have talked severally, after we have made several attempts to stop illegal activities in the forest. And more pathetic knowing that we have a minister or regional minister stopping the operations of the Forestry Commission. I've moved to Ashanti region for several operations, moved to Central region for several operations, without informing the regional ministers there. We all have our mandates as institutions. So if it was indeed the Forestry Commission in the forest who were stopping the illegal mining activities, then it's completely wrong for a regional minister to come in with police to stop them from doing their work.
Enti illegal mining na ekosu Galamsey ni bi na ekosu of South Forest ni or Western North. Now, as a Forestry Commission for no, they had an operation. Operation Amuye or Hono. They went to sack the Galamseyers and then they seized the excavators. Now, who seized the excavator na? Untimin jano to forest them. Because who jar excavators no to forest ma, the owners, they will come back for it and send it to another place to go and continue the Galamsey, or they will come back to that same place to continue work. As when you seize the excavators, the next thing to do is you put them, you get them out of the forest, to the district assembly and or a place where they can be seen and can be monitored. The excavators can be monitored. Now, Forestry Commission for Omuko movie excavators no free bush nima. Enna, regional minister, or a chairman of RECSEC, a regional security coordinating council no. Onu ni police for they came to stop the operation by Forestry Commission. Operation na yes a journalist na ye o. Yes a MPP for na ye o. Forestry Commission of Ghana o. They are taking the excavators from the forest. Regional minister say on tiasie. Adentia ya obi anka hwe no. Now who are we a regional minister? Say Galamsey no, you are not benefiting anything from it. Why do you need to be told something before excavators are taken out of the forest? Say who benu no? Yes, excavators no, ye the call continue be few, call be few. Ye the call district assembly no. Regional minister say on tiasie. They have not told him. Now, they should stop. Confusion. Police also say, hey, they are not aware such an operation is ongoing. Some of these police they are the reason why Akufo-Addo was demonized when it came to the Galamsey fight. Because Usumo say Omuko Bush Nima, they go and take money and then they leave. Yes, we saw the video. Some of the videos where it was alleged. Some people were saying that the police and the police camps that they take 20,000 Ghana cedis at a go. 200 million old currency. Then they go. That is why we are still here. Yeah? And now we have a government that is made up of the actual Galamsey kingpins. When you thought that you had seen the West under MPP, now you are seeing the West Promas. The West Promas under NDC. And we cry 3 months pay. 3 months pay here. Omunye ndi 6 months here. Omunye ndi 1 year. To 2 years, 3 years. Omunye ndi yo 3 months. 90 days in Puniu. And we are seeing this kind of Galamsey on such a large scale, unseen before, unprecedented. Never ever seen before. And the kind of boldness, as I say, regional ministers can boldly say they have not been notified, so the excavators should not move from the forest reserves. They are causing damage in our forest reserves and our water bodies. No, that is the kind of boldness we are seeing under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And everybody is quiet. We are all quiet. Why are we quiet? Because Ghanaians have realized, oh, my mistake. I'm out to Abafun. But who can you go and complain to? So everybody is keeping quiet. Everybody has kept quiet and is suffering in silence. We are all suffering in silence. This is what you voted for. This has been the political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until never, bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.